There's a bend in the water where the river slows, Wonboyn Lake breathing gentle as it goes. Fresh meat salt in a shimmering line, an inlet learning the shape of time. Paper bark shadows the morning still, the lake lies open, quiet and real. Every ripple remembers the land, every tide held in a working hand. If you stand still, not in words, but in weeks. Oh, Wonboyn waters clear and kind, pristine paths where the worlds align. From the calm of the lake to the ocean's door, we belong to the tide, and there's something more. Summer settles on the open sky, heat on the flats where the oysters lie. Lines run straight through the turning blue, patient work that the seasons knew. Baskets rise with the breathing sea, each shell shaped by what will be. Nothing rushed and nothing claimed, just time and tide returning unchanged. Green Cape watches from weathered stone, white light standing steady alone. Out past the headland, the ocean waits, wide with its promises, wide with its weight. Between the lake and the rolling swell is a place where the living is learned well. Not just harvest, not just yield, but knowing what the water will reveal. Wonboyn waters bright and deep, you give us more than we ever keep. From the racks and the reeds to the open shore, we belong to the tide, and there's something more. Christmas comes on a southern breeze, salt in the air, light through the trees. Lanterns glow by the jetty line, laughing voices folding into time. Plates are full but the heart is too, of borrowed years and carried through. Every ending feels tender here as the lake holds close another year. The old year loosens its quiet grip, like a tide on the final slip. Ahead the water lies unmarked, a new beginning, clean and stark. If we've learned anything worth knowing, it's how to listen when the water's slowing, how to leave what should stay whole, how to carry hope without control. Oh, Wonboyn waters pure and wide, you've seen us change with the turning tide. From the still of the lake to the ocean's roar, we belong to what carries us